はい、皆さん、こんにちは。風です。お元気ですか？漢字 on the street, the Bible version. はい、今日は2日目ですね。Today is the second day, and I'm introducing you the kanji on the street, the real Japanese used in this street. ね。はい。OK, じゃあ、今日はですね、Today I'm gonna introduce you the shrine visit. 1月の3日に住吉大社に初詣に行きましたので、I went to the 初詣, the first day of the shrine or temple visit. ね、初詣と言います。So usually the Japanese goes to temple or shrine to, make wishes for the year. ね、はい、これが初詣。This is 初詣。じゃあちょっと見ていきましょう。はい、はい、ここに縁起ってありますね。縁起。縁起って何でしょう？縁。で、義。義は起きるですね。はい。これは見たことある人いるかな？ Maybe you know this. Gi is to wake up, right? これは起きるの音読みです。起きる is to wake up ね、in 訓読み。And this is ぎ in here ね、or きね。
These are the 音読み reading.
カタカナね。or きね、きよぎね。はい。で、縁っていうのは縁 is relations ね。縁って言います。縁ね。縁起と読みますね。We read this is 縁起。縁起 is the omens or something good things or maybe the it's a luck ね。はい、縁起。Usually we say 縁起がいい。That means the auspicious ね。It's nice things ね。縁起がいい because いい is good, right? Or 縁起が悪い that means the bad omens. That's not good, right? So 縁起 is something luck, omens ね。はい。So 縁起で you see 焼きってありますね。焼き。これわかるね。You know this, right? 焼きます is to grill or bake. ね。You see this is a fire here. ね。So like a 焼き鳥、焼く。ね。So something 焼く is grilled. They usually like, you know the たい焼き, right? たい焼き is the beam-shaped, the fish-shaped pancake. ね。Something like inside filled with the anko, the sweetened red beans ね、なんかあるんですけど、で、これは縁起焼き。ね、maybe the original pancake, like, it could be pancake or anything. It could be the rice powders, grilled pancake, something like that. ね、anyway, 縁起 that means good omens. So, good omens grilled. they just name it. はい。で、it seems like a もちもち。ね、書いてあるので、maybe you'll see later. もちもちのもちもち。you know that 餅、お餅、right? Japanese eats the kind of sticky rice. ね。餅です、餅。で、もちもち is an expression like a springy. ね、もちもち。そう、縁起焼き。ね。it says that use the rice powder and grilled it. ね、something I guess is sweet. ね、はい。Anyway, so 縁起焼き。はい。じゃあ次見ましょう。はい。ここに試食とありますね。試食。はい。これも音読みで、試食。ね。これは、you know that 試験の試。試験 is an examination, right? 試 or this means to try. ね。試。ね。or 試す。音読み is 試す。ね。 she ね。she is 訓読み。すいません。she is 音読み。then 試す is 訓読み。ね。anyway, so she and 食。ね、これわかるね。You know this, right? 食べます is to eat, right? But in 音読み、ね、as I said, 音読み is kind of combine the 2 or 3 or 4 kanjis, then usually read as 音読み。So 試食。So this read as 試食 is try to eat. ね。あと、C で始まるものだったら、試着とかありますね。これは着。はい、just extra. で、着 is to 着る着 is to 着ます。right? 着る is to wear. ね。はい、服を着る。wear the clothes. ね。着る。ね。So 試着 is just to try on the clothes. ね。before you buy. ね。そう試すね。そう試食。just to try out. So even you だ試食 you don't need to buy it. ね。You just try first. で、if you like it, you can buy. はい。そう、試食。はい。じゃあ次見ましょう。はい、ここにありますね。もちもちのもちもち。もちもち、springy. So probably the 縁起焼き the grilled pan with almonds. Maybe springy. ね、美味しいんだろうね。Nice texture. はい、次、これ、見えますか ?Can you see this? 質、right? 質。or introduced you yesterday was 質屋っていうのがあったと思います。質 or 七と読みます。ね、質屋、質屋。ね、質屋。これを音読みと訓読みなんですけど、anyway, so it read as し屋。ね、so that is a pawn shop. ね、so just says 七。ね、then we understand, oh, that's pawn shop. ね、七ってあります。ね、で、美濃屋、that is the name of the pawn shop. ね。はい、それから、目の前に見えてるやつ。what you see just in front is the station name. ね、住吉大社って書いてあるね。That is a place of the shrine. 住吉、基地ですね。大社。これは有名な神社です。とても有名な神社です。It's very, very famous shrine. And you see, usually, you know that 神社 for the shrine, right? Probably if you know 神社。神、ね。神 is God. The house, ね。God's house. It's a shrine. And the 大社 is the kind of level, high level. It's a headquarter of the all other 住吉神社。ね、住吉大社と言います。ね、so that is the name of the station, 住吉大社駅。ね、駅 is a station, right? ね、住吉大社駅。So I went to this shrine, grand shrine for the new year, 3rd of January. So I did the live on the Facebook, and also I created a video for the Sumiyoshi Taisha walking. So if you like, please check it out. I put the link inside the description section. はい。はい。Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and また会いましょう。And hope you like it, and if you like, please sum up. はい。じゃあまたね。バイバイ。